Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo, Las Vegas 2015. I have with me Jim Anderson, NuLegacy Gold. I'm going to give you two symbols. One is NUG on the TSX Venture and NULGF on the OTC. Jim, welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, thanks very much for having me on.
So let's get first an overview of NuLegacy, and then we'll come back for an update.
Okay, NuLegacy has a new gold discovery right in the heart of the Cortez Trend in Nevada. We're partnered with Barrick Gold Corporation. We're going to be completing our earn-in by approximately September of this year, and then Barrick, we feel, is likely to spend the next $15 million on the property, and that's a big number for us because that's about what our market cap is right now.
NuLegacy is in the Cortez Trend. Let's talk about the Cortez Trend for a minute.
The Cortez Trend is home to some of Nevada's and some of the world's largest gold mines. The Pipeline deposit is 21 million ounces of gold, and as you know, Shelley, that was discovered by Roger Steiniger, our Chief Operating Officer and Head Geologist. Most of the mining now takes place at Cortez Hills, another 15 million ounce deposit, and Barrick's biggest, best development project anywhere on the planet is directly adjacent to where we're working. That's called Gold Rush, and that's gone from 2.5 million to 15 million ounces of gold in 4 years. It's not in production yet, but it's growing exponentially.
So have you done drill projects?
Yeah, we've done a significant amount of drilling. We've done 40 different drill holes on the property. We've established a small resource that's growing, and we'll continue to do that. We're drilling as we speak.
What's your background?
I was in the investment banking business in Vancouver for a number of years, so this is the type of small mining exploration company that I financed and invested in all of my brokerage career.
So you loved it so much you had to get in.
Well, the opportunity that exists here, the type of upside opportunity with this type of project, this type of Carlin-style deposit, once they're discovered, they can have a lot of gold there. So that's very exciting for the whole company and for me personally.
How many hectares, or how much area do you control?
It's 23 square miles. If you like it in metric, it's about 66 square kilometers.
How close are you to the infrastructure, roads, etc.?
That's one of the great things about dealing in Nevada and in the Cortez Trend specifically. There are county roads right to our property. There's a number of different drill roads through the whole property, and within a 15-minute drive, you can be on blacktop. Go to Elko, get a nice steak. You know, you're really...
I've done that.
Yeah.
I've eaten in Elko in the one hotel restaurant that you can find.
That's the place you want to go.
So let me ask you, we're in 2015, 2016. What do you see?
A lot of different news flow for NuLegacy coming forward. We're going to be spending a lot of money drilling between now and September. By September or October, we will finish our earn-in with Barrick. Barrick then has a 90-day window to decide whether they want to exercise their clawback provision and spend that $15 million that I mentioned earlier. So we expect that to happen. So a lot of good things to develop in the company here in the next few months. The website is NuLegacyGold.com. That's NuLegacy gold.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Anderson, NuLegacy Gold. Two symbols, NUG on the TSX Venture, NULGF on the OTC markets. I'm Shelley Craft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. Jim, thank you for coming on to SNNLive, and thank you for coming to the conference.
Shelley, thanks so much. It's a great conference.
I appreciate that.